plus, and go again to strip. Now choose the design that you like. It's not necessary to use just welcome for this design. You can use any. You can use welcome for about us. You can use services for maybe for your contact us. So you can. So let's see what suits our about us section. I think it's okay. I can use this one. As you can see, I have drag and dropping it. Guys, one thing I have to tell you that you can use this zoom out. You can use select this and you can use it up. You can change its position. I have undo it now, crossing. Yeah, so as you can see, I have added a about a section. But now the next thing is let's learn what is anchor and how we can use it. So suppose this website is going to be one page website, but everything is going to be on home page. So let's add anchor. Select this strip, go to add, this menu option, and anchor. And as you can see, here is anchor. So click, drag and drop over here. Let's rename it as about us. And from here also, manage pages. Click here. And this will link to about us section. Done. And let's name it about us. Done. So as you can see, we have created our next section, that is about us. As you can see, there are two buttons again, as I have told you earlier. Let's see. There should be two dots. Let's make a one anchor for home section. So what we can do is click, manage, and let's first add anchor over here. So go menu and use anchor. Let's drag and drop over here. Very good, you are doing good. Now let's name it anchor. Now let's rename it as home. Yeah. So as you can see, this anchor is created now. And let's again do the same thing. Go to page, manage pages. Let's create this, click here this link and home to home. Done. And let's name it home. Done. So as you can see, there are three of them actually. So let's hide one. So this will be a main page. Well, there is one anchor over here, so we don't need this. So let's hide. So I hope you have got to learn that what is anchor and how we can use it. Now let's change its color also. Customize design. Let's make it white. Yeah. Let's make this also white. Yeah, it's okay. Now let's preview our site, how it looks. When someone will click it, then he will redirect to this section, and when about us, then he will be here. Now let's add this section so that it can point this arrow to down. So now let's understand how we can do it. Click here click here link, and let's select anchor about us. So when someone click it, then it will redirect them over here. Now guys, let's customize this section. Let's use color. Yeah, this color is good to go. I'm changing this text color to black. This strip also as black, and again this text to black. Well guys, there are a lot of options of text. As you can see, we can make it bold, italic, underline, whatever we want, or we can highlight it from different colors, as you can see. Over here we can write all the awards and when our company is founded and all those things over here, and let's title it. Yeah, as you can see. So when someone click about us, then he will redirect to here, over here. Now let's create another section. Well, this button also does the same thing what this menu do. When someone click over here, then he will redirect to about us section. So guys, I hope you are understanding the things.